so you may need to take action. Tax filing season is now beginning. As the Internal Revenue Service starts accepting tax returns, there are a few dates that many Americans may need to be aware of. State lawmakers have also announced that over $2 billion is being sent out in rebate checks to all eligible homeowners and renters. My dear friends, I'll be going over everything that you need to know. So please make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, this coming Friday, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these weekly giveaways.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Since President Biden took office, inflation has risen by over 17.2%. This spike in prices from the gas pump to the grocery store has forced Americans to spend additionally $11,000 a year just to afford basic goods. A family can't afford repair bills that have increased due to inflation. Young people cannot save money to buy a home when the price of rent has increased by 18%. And seniors can't afford their medications when food prices have risen by 20% in just 3 years. This inflation is a tax on each and every American, and it is caused by the runaway spending of President Joe Biden's budget. American families cannot afford to carry on with business as usual. Our country cannot afford for inflation to outpace wages year after year while American families pay the price. And the Biden administration promotes continued reckless spending. At a time when Americans are already paying high heating prices, President Biden canceled the sale of liquefied natural gas, cutting jobs here at home and raising the cost to heat our homes. It's time to address the inflation caused by Joe Biden's 3-year spending spree. It's time now to return to fiscal responsibility. It's time to stop growing our deficit and borrowing money from China to subsidize far-left energy programs. Americans are counting on us to stop this out-of-control inflation. And it's time that the president puts what's good for our country ahead of what would benefit him politically.
Now, friends, more checks are being sent out to residents of New Jersey. During the second round of Anchor property tax relief payouts, more than $2.1 billion was distributed to more than 1.8 million homeowners and renters throughout the state. According to the State Department of Treasury, this is the single largest property tax relief program in state history. These payouts for the 2020 tax year included an additional $250 for qualifying homeowners and renters over age 65. There were payments made to more than 1.2 million homeowners and about 579,000 renters, ranging from $450 to $1,750. Payments first started being sent out to residents in October and continue going out. The deadline to apply have officially passed at the end of last December. Treasury said more benefits were paid out through this round of Anchor than in the 2008 Homestead Rebate Program, which previously held the record for the most dollars distributed through a property tax relief program at $2.08 billion. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy said in a recent statement, as the most ambitious property tax relief program in New Jersey history, Anchor is helping to make New Jersey more affordable for nearly 2 million households who need and deserve this relief. According to experts, the first year of the program saw more than 1.7 million renters and homeowners receive payments. Treasury announced in August that more than 1.3 million of the residents who received payments from the program did not need to file a new application. According to Yahoo News, the U.S. tax filing season is now beginning. Taxpayers have until April 15th to file without an extension. The Internal Revenue Service expects to receive nearly 130 million individual tax returns by the deadline, with more than 93% of those expected to be e-filed. You can file forms electronically or mail a paper return to the agency, but the fastest and easiest way to file and receive refunds is through electronic filing and direct deposit. The Internal Revenue Service generally issues refunds within 3 weeks after returns are electronically filed, even faster if you choose direct deposit instead of a mailed check. The tax agency has been busy making improvements to its filing system after receiving funding from the Inflation Reduction Act. Taxpayers can now utilize new upgrades, including enhanced digital correspondence, expanded in-person hours at tax assistance centers, reduced wait times to IRS call centers, and an improved Where's My Refund tool. IRS Commissioner Danny Werfel said in an official statement, "As our transformation efforts take hold, taxpayers will continue to see a marked improvement in IRS operations in the upcoming filing season. By law, the IRS must wait until after February 15th to issue tax refunds for taxpayers who have claimed either the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit. So if you claim these credits, filed your return electronically, and selected direct deposit, the earliest you could expect your tax refund is around February 27th. This is as long as there was no issue with your tax return. For most Americans, April 15th is a deadline for filing a tax return electronically, postmarking a paper return, or requesting an automatic extension. The IRS is also now offering free file and direct file for qualifying taxpayers and expanded in-person services through its taxpayer assistance centers. The new program comes after an infusion of the supplemental funding, which was provided to the IRS through the Inflation Reduction Act. The direct file option is a pilot program offering free federal tax return filing with step-by-step guidance. The 2024 season will see a phased rollout plan, so it won't be available to all taxpayers immediately. Well, my amazing and most awesome friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. My dear friends, thank you very much for being part of this community. Every Friday, I will be announcing several winners for the Walmart gift card giveaway. If you would like to enter the weekly giveaway, friends, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you watch and then comment on, friends, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Thank you, and have a wonderful and very blessed week.